Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Chess mobile banking app from JP Morgan on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so to get the right app, first I'll uninstall the app to show you how to get it. To get the app, you need to go to Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. However, if you are on iPhone, look for App Store. Because I'm on Android, I'll tap on Play Store. And from Play Store, using this search bar, just search for your app by name, or if you can't see the search bar, you should see a search icon down below. So tap on search and just search the name of the app. So search Chess Mobile like that. And then I'll run my search. Now here you can see we have our app and we don't have another copy. So this is the only Chess mobile app from Google Play Store. To know that you have the right app, make sure it is from JP Morgan Chess. And at the time of recording, this app had a star rating of 4.6 with over 2 million reviews, and the average file size is around 100 MBs. And the number of downloads, currently this app has been downloaded over 50 million times. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app. Now to get it, tap on install. And this will download the latest version of this Chess mobile banking app and then install it on your smartphone. So that's how you can install the right Chess mobile banking app from JP Morgan on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.